Hey guys, this is Dave from Tuki. Have another Canva tutorial for you, and in this tutorial, we're going to show you how to create a basic social post. So let's type in social media. It will bring up a list of types of social posts. So one of the really common ones that you've seen probably a lot of dietitians using is a quote post. So I'll show you how to do one of those. You'll basically pick a consistent theme. So you choose one of the designs that you really like, just drag it onto the pane, it'll snap. Don't really like that one, so I'm going to keep going. I want something really, really simple. How about this one? I like this one. I like the copy. I like how it's simple. I might get rid of the logo though, and I might get rid of this top text. And then I want to center it. So see those little the pink lines? Basically, they're helping you figure out how to center your image and your copy. So I want to keep it really, really simple here. So obviously, for an example, I don't recommend you write that. But basically, you've got it there. You can add in maybe a little kind of signature of your name. On the right here, you have text, so you can add in specific text. Let's just use basic text. Let's say test registered. Basically, just put your name down there. That way, you're building up some brand. People will see your name. They'll remember these little inspiring quotes by you, and you'll be able to keep going. So you can change the text to the color that you want. Our brand color is purple, so let's use purple. You can change the border as well. Just say purple, and you can have it there. So there you go. It's a pretty simple one there. I really recommend that with all your social content that you start to become more, you try and do all of your content in one batch. That way you have more time to focus on what you need to do, like looking after clients, rather than constantly running around trying to do your social media. So you can copy this template and you can say again, test. Cool. So once you've done that, you've got those templates. All you got to do is, once you're happy with everything, you've proofread everything, you think it's great, you download them. So you click on this button up top. Let's just say we want all the pages. We want it in PNG. You'll click download. So Canva will then package it up, zip up the file, and will download to your local storage. And there you go. You've got the files, and you need to just upload to social media, and you're good to go. So I hope this was helpful. Remember to subscribe to our channel. We're going to have a ton more content like this, and we'd love any feedback you have.